Yeah, this is the Afi rainforest. This is the man in charge, Peter. Mr. Peter Jenkins. Peter, good morning.
Good morning.
How was the night?
Yeah, it was all right.
Very well. These are the bananas reserves for monkeys. Very impressive. Got it from locals in the village. Bought from locals. Very beautiful. Wow, this is impressive.
Yeah, we buy over 1 million pounds of food every year.
Oh, bought by 1 million pounds of food every year. Wow. And very impressive the way they are being kept, preserved. That's very nice.
We try.
That's very good. Yeah. That's very good.
Guys.
That's very good. That's very nice. Afi Mountain, the rainforest in Boki, Cross River State, Nigeria. Wow. I have some monkeys on the tree. Wow. That's beautiful. This is very beautiful. We have something written by former President Olusegun Obasanjo since 2001. The trees, very pleased to be here. I am impressed with the dedication and enthusiasm of the staff. It is worthy of emulation. The flora and the fauna in this rainforest are resources of interest to the world. We must keep them for the future generation and for the world. Olusegun Obasanjo. Wow, it's interesting also to see Lisa Gosby, the Drew Ranch, paramount ruler of Boki local government. This beautiful photo. Peter Jenkins, the Drew Ranch. Smart Minton, the U.S. ambassador to Nigeria, then in the group photograph at the Afi Boki Ranch. Very, very impressive. That's good. We'll now proceed to see some animals.